Hello, my darlings. Join me on a journey to a South America unlike any you've seen. Imagine a continent sculpted from clay, mountains soft and round, trees with wobbly leaves, rivers like blue ribbons. This is a land of magic, where every corner hides a secret. The Andes rise gently, their peaks dusted with white clay snow. We'll wander winding paths, discovering new stories at every step. The people here are clay too, kind faces, bright eyes, clothes woven with colorful patterns that tell ancient tales. Their homes are cozy domes, painted and warm, filled with the scent of cooking corn. They welcome us, share their food, and teach us their songs. In this world, everyone is connected, to the land and to each other. Our adventure is about finding hidden gems, not just famous places. We'll seek secret waterfalls, forgotten ruins, and quiet jungle corners. We'll climb misty mountains and sail sparkling rivers. This claymation South America is for dreamers and explorers. Take my hand. Let's step into this handcrafted world together. The air is warm, scented with flowers and earth. Hummingbirds buzz by, their wings a blur of color. The landscape is alive, inviting us to explore. Every moment is a new discovery. The people's stories echo through the land. We'll listen, learn, and become part of this magical place. This journey is about wonder, connection, and adventure. So are you ready? Let's begin our grand tour. The clay world awaits. Our marvelous adventure starts now. Our first stop is San Agustin, Colombia, a quiet valley filled with ancient stone statues. These aren't ordinary statues, they're mysterious guardians carved centuries ago. Some have jaguar teeth, others wide, watchful eyes. They stand among the trees, silent but full of stories. As we walk, the air is cool and birds chirp softly. Each statue has its own personality, wise, playful, fierce. Imagine the hands that shaped them, the secrets they wanted to share. If you listen closely, the stones almost whisper the past. A local guide greets us, his family rooted here for generations. He shares legends, an eagle and snake statue for sky and earth, sunlight casting magic on the stones. The statues are treated with deep respect, believed to hold ancestral spirits. As the sun sets, shadows dance and the valley glows orange and purple. We sit quietly, watching the colors change. The stones seem to glow in the twilight, their mysteries alive. San Agustin is peaceful, ancient and full of wonder. It reminds us that hidden treasures wait in quiet places. Our journey has just begun, but already we found something special. The valley feels timeless, a bridge to the past. We leave with new stories in our hearts. The whispering stones will stay with us. Onward to the next adventure. Next, we visit Cristales, the river of 5 colors, Colombia's liquid rainbow. For a few magical months, the river blooms with red, yellow, green, blue, and black. The colors come from a special plant on the riverbed, glowing under the sun. We dip our clay hands in the warm, clear water, watching red ribbons sway and yellow sand sparkle. The river is a living masterpiece, nature's own painting. Blue butterflies flutter above, capybaras lounge on the banks, and monkeys swing in the trees. The river is alive with color and creatures, a secret garden in the heart of Colombia. We walk carefully along the edge, soaking in the beauty. As the sun sets, the colors soften and the water sings a gentle song. Cano Cristales reminds us that the world's greatest treasures are made of water, sunlight, and life. It's a place of pure joy and wonder. We leave with hearts full of happiness. The river's magic lingers in our memories. Nature's artistry is everywhere if we look closely. Our journey continues inspired by this living rainbow. The adventure flows on. There's more beauty ahead. Let's keep exploring. Now, we soar to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. Imagine a vast white desert of salt, dazzling under the sun. In the dry season, the ground forms a giant honeycomb. We drive a colorful clay jeep across the endless expanse. In the center, Isla Incahuasi rises, covered in ancient cacti. From its peak, salt and sky stretch forever. But the real magic comes with rain. A thin layer of water turns the salt flat into a perfect mirror. The sky and clouds reflect so perfectly, it feels like we're walking on air. At night, millions of stars appear, mirrored below. We stand in a universe of light, silent and awe-inspiring. Salar de Uyuni makes us feel small, yet connected to everything. It's a dreamscape of salt, sky and stars. The beauty is simple, pure and unforgettable. We float between earth and sky, lost in wonder. The salt flat is a place of reflection, literally and in spirit. Here, the world feels infinite. We carry this sense of wonder with us. The journey continues, ever more magical. We travel to Ushuaia, Argentina, the city at the end of the world. Nestled between snowy mountains and deep blue sea, its clay houses glow with color. The air is crisp, scented with pine and salt. We sail the Beagle Channel in a bright red clay tugboat. Sea lions bask on rocky islands. Penguins waddle in tuxedo-like charm. In Tierra del Fuego National Park, twisted trees and mossy trails lead to hidden lagoons. A red fox peeks from behind a tree, curious and clever. Nature's power and beauty surround us. As night falls, Ushuaia's lights twinkle, a safe harbor at the world's edge. We sip hot chocolate in a cozy cafe, gazing at the sea and mountains. Ushuaia is more than a city. It's a feeling of adventure and reflection. Here, the land ends and the unknown begins. We savor the quiet, the wildness, the wonder. The end of the world is just another beginning. Our journey presses on. North to Peru, we reach Cuelap, the ancient fortress of the Cloud Warriors. A cable car lifts us through mist to stone walls towering above the clouds. Inside, round stone houses cluster in silence, moss and orchids growing in the cracks. Carvings of snakes, pumas, and faces tell stories of the Chachapoyas people. From the fortress, we gaze down on a sea of white mist, an island in the sky. Llamas graze peacefully, their gentle eyes watching us. Cuelap connects us to a lost civilization high in the Andes. The wind whispers through the ruins, carrying ancient secrets. It's a place of power, mystery, and wonder. We walk among the stones, imagining lives long past. The fortress is a hidden gem, a bridge to forgotten worlds. We leave inspired by the Cloud Warriors' legacy. The adventure soars ever higher. Our claymation journey ends, but the real adventure is just beginning. We've uncovered ancient stones, rainbow rivers, salt mirrors, and cloud fortresses. South America is a treasure chest, diverse, vibrant, and full of hidden gems. There are jungles unexplored, mountains unconquered, and stories waiting to be told. This continent is a feeling, a rhythm, a world of passion and surprise. Every day brings new landscapes, new faces, new wonders. Now, it's your turn. Let curiosity guide you. Taste the food, hear the music, meet the people. Let South America surprise you. Your own adventure awaits, more beautiful than any clay dream. Take the first step. The world is full of wonder. Go on, my darlings. The journey is yours to begin.